Incremental routines. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time to modify the built-in templates. This is the easiest, so before we actually create our own templates from scratch, we will first modify the already existing templates. So let's do that.
So now, oh, this is my style. I love it. So now you have, also you'll have to download a Google font, which is Ubuntu font. Remember, I'm using. So now we have our style, and we pretty much have our template. Like, this is our basic topic template. So we go on template, and
right click on this empty space, so you trigger the element menu, then template, and save as template.
And we do save as a template, and we call.
And here you have to use the same name. In Supermemo, you cannot just update the template, and that's it. So instead, you have the same name. You will be prompted, hey, do you want to override it? Yes, please. Not the best user experience, but it's Supermemo. So that's the common pattern.
This article, which is the name of the default template.
Exactly. Other exists. Want to replace? Yes. Instead of replacing, it will just update it.
What already exists, do you want to replace? Yes. Okay. Now you will say, but here it didn't change. We only have this style here. And we will go, by the way, later into how my style works. And if you want to do yours, it's completely fine, no problem. But how do we apply that to others? Ctrl-Shift-M.
To apply template.
See, you have article, article picture, classic, item, item picture. So we're going to change this.
Because now you see the preview. This is the template registry. Now you see the preview of the template, how it looks. Because now all of the articles that are using, all of the topics that are using the article template are modified already.
This, and this. So you say article, and voila, you have your new style. But what if I want to create new topic with this template without having to manually select the template? So
yeah,
you go on search.
Whoa. We'll cover this next time, no worries. Too much information now. Then, in the previous video, I created this flashcard. What happened here is that there's no template. If now, let me first duplicate it. Then Ctrl-Shift-M, then I want the item. Nice, now looks like my items with the white mode. But you know what? I changed my mind. I don't want that anymore. So what I'm going to do, I'm compare with the other one I have. Now they look the same. Oh, okay. This is how it looks with the template applied and without the template. So what I'm going to do is the item template. Okay. A review of what we have done already. Color. The background color. Boom, here you go. Then is the styling. Text, style, edit file. I'm using the default. I don't know. No, I'm actually not using the default. Good to know. Then background color, black. And the color would be white. Here you go. It's kind of tiny, no worries. Bum, edit. I'm editing the text, as you can see, the styling. We could consider that, strictly speaking, it's part of the template, because the template, it's linking the file registry member. How do I know that? Because now if we go in the main menu, search other registries, style, and this now has 18 as well, and the black. This has been modified. Nice. Then let's see the other one, the other flashcard. Hey, do you see the difference? Then if I create yet another flashcard, let's say I want this, self-directed learning, looks like that. I apply the template, it's the item. Now I see a preview. Here you go. So in this case, in this collection, I don't have more items. If I do this in one of my backups, imagine, look at how many items I have. I think about 18,000. Yep, nice. If you remember, some videos ago, we changed the image components to the left. Well, the butterflies, if you remember. Nice. So now, if I click, they all look the same. They may have images, they may have not images, but it's always the same. Looks the same. Nice. Then, I change the color. Oh, now it's hard to see. No worries. In this case, I don't want to check that. I will do something else instead. I want to use the default. So I go to the toolkit options and I change the color there. Question and answer font. If you remember, we did the default Supermemo CSS file. It's the same thing, but with fonts. It's equivalent. Nice. And this is how it looks now. Then let me recover. View, last browser. Okay. So now it doesn't matter where I click. Any element now has the exact same, looks the same. How is this possible? Because all of those are using the exact same template. That is the beauty of the template. So you won't have to go one by one. This is the built-in, by the way. If we go to the template registry, remember, main menu, search, and templates. In this, I only have one. 4 items, 1 for articles. But now I have the predefined. So what you will have is article, that is for topics. Don't ask me why it's not called topic. Then the article picture would be the same, but with an image component. Then for item, the same item, an item picture. Most of the time you will be working with those. Then you have the YouTube, the video, local video, and so on. But if you want to modify, let's say, the article picture, first you need an article, you need a topic, not an item. So I will go here. That's a topic. Let me check which one. Just the article. Let's say that I want this already, or I just want to change the color to something black. Then right click, template, save as template, and I have to use the same name, article picture, and override it. Now I will cancel because I really don't want that. That's enough for now, and see you in the next video.